So back to this. Flipping the second fraction here gives me 5/8 times 2 over 1. Now, once you turn the division problem into a multiplication problem, then yes, you can cross cancel. Once you change it into a multiplication problem, then you can't cross cancel when it's in its division form, but when you flip and multiply, then you can do the cross canceling. And you end up with 5 over 4 or 1 and 1/4. Let's see what else we have here. They give us improper fractions, they do not. Alright, here's a question for you. How many 1/2 are in 3/4? Does somebody have a thought for me on that? How many halves do you get in 3/4? Here'd be another way to say it. How many half of a dollars can you get out of 3/4 of a dollar? How many 50 cents can you take out of 75 cents? But you can't tell me one because that's not the answer. It has to be exact. Sammy? 1.5. And how do we do that mathematically though? And I'll tell you this a few times later on. Don't let fractions scare you. What you want to do is just like I told you before to do problems, make this an easier problem to figure out what you should do. You know you have to do something with 1/2 and 3/4, but you don't know what. Well, what if I change this to say, how many 2's are in 8? How many 2's are in 8? What did you do to do that? You divided 8 by 2. So that's the same thing you should do here. Divide 3/4 by 1/2. It's a division problem with fractions, so you flip and multiply. You end up with 3/4 times 2 over 1. A little cross cancel in action here. You end up with 3 over 2, which is 1.5, which is what I believe our people said out there. Jacob?
This doesn't really have to do with math, but yesterday I was thinking, well, my brother.
Wait, you were thinking yesterday? Are we going to pause and contemplate? Jacob was thinking yesterday.
I thought about it with math because my brother said if you like dress, it's a proven fact. If you like dress in like nice clothes and are a suit and tie for a test, you'll test better.
That's probably true.
I'm like, what?
Just because the better you are, the better you feel. The better you do, the more you concentrate.
And then since you always dress in like a suit and tie.
Yes, I am always in a suit and tie.
Oh, not suit and tie, but.
So you think that is part of the reason why I think I don't know where to go from there. Oh, how about this question? What is 2/3 of, hold on a second, let me see if I can give you any whole numbers here. Yeah, 2/3 of 3/8. How about that one? How do you do that one? How do you do these? Michael? How do you think you do that one? Huh? How do I know? Exactly. You see the word of 90% of the time in math it means multiply, so this is 2/3 of 3/8. And again, it's multiplication, so you can cross cancel. 3 goes into 3 one time in both of those. 2 goes into 2 once and into 8 4 times. So you end up with 1/4. And the book will also give you things like this. How about 1 divided by 3/5? What do you suppose you do to solve that? 1 divided by 3/5 is, Peter,
Answer.
why don't you tell me how to do it, then you can give me the answer.
Change 1 into a fraction,
Sure, 1 over 1
and then flip 5/3.
times 5/3. So you end up with, you got 5/3, which is 1 and